What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So it's time to do unbox the all new Oppo Reno 15F 5G, and guys, and this is the little brother of the Oppo Reno 15 5G. So this phone is costing around only 1,20,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market, and definitely in the price of this phone it is really high. I wish that this phone is under 90,000 PKR, then I would say this phone it is more a good option in this price range. So, and the color I have is the Aurora blue color. We have 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of internal storage, and this one is also manufactured in Pakistan, and this phone also is powered by same. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC. So, and the processor it is exactly the same as the Oppo Reno 14F 5G. Also on the back, as you can see, looks like we have a triple cameras. We also have a 50 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera on the front. We also have a 4K video recording support even with the front facing camera as well. And other than that, no specification about the phone. Also it says Oppo AI phone, so we also have a lot of AI features as well. Now let's quickly remove the plastic and let's see what is Oppo has to offer in this Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So once again we have a grayish box. Looks like we have two colors of the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. I have the Aurora blue color. Let's open this box. So on the box, on the top we have a mini box. So inside this box we have our quick start guide as well as a safety guide stuff, and looks like we also have a hard case, which is looks like a transparent one. As you can see, it is a hard case. And right here is the Oppo Reno 15F inside the box. Make your moment. Let's out the phone from this wrapping. So guys, here is the Aurora blue color. Looks like, I gotta say, this phone looks absolutely beautiful, I would say. We also have this blue color with the Oppo Reno 15F 5G, but I have this color, Aurora blue color. I gotta say, this phone looks absolutely beautiful and premium as well. This phone feels really light in the hand, and this phone has a massive 7000 mAh battery size. So, and the weight balance it is excellent on this Oppo Reno 15F 5G. Let's see, we have some juice. So Oppo logo it is here. Let's see what else we get. And then the phone. So here is a super VOOC. We have a 80-watt super fast charger inside the box. Very good thing. Here is our SIM ejection tool, and right here USB type C to USB A cable inside the box. So you get everything inside the box, which is a really good thing these days. So now let's put all these things to the side. Let's look at the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So on the front we have a beautiful 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with the center punch hole on the top. Overall, and the bezels it is, even the forehead, even the bottom chin, it is really thin, and this one feels really comfortable in the hand. Once again, on the front we have a Korean Gorilla Glass Plus on the front. We also have IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance with the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So on the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button on the right hand side. And on the back we have a glass on this Oppo Reno 15F 5G. And the side it is made up of plastic. I don't see any antenna bands. So on the bottom we have our USB-C. We also have our SIM tray, main microphone, speaker. Let's see the SIM tray on this Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So you can see, looks like we have a hybrid SIM slot, but we also have a micro SD card support with the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So on the left hand side, absolutely nothing. So on the top we have IR blaster, looks like another microphone. We also have another speaker, looks like. So on the back looks like we have a triple cameras. So on the back we have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera on the back. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro on the back. It says Reno AI camera. Also we have Aurora light on the back. Overall, I am really like this Aurora blue color. Also on the front we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera on the front. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So here are all the pre-installed apps we have inside the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So once again we have a lot of apps which is already installed. So now let's see the max brightness, and the brightness it is looks, I would say, okay. I have 1400 nits of high brightness on this Oppo Reno 15F 5G, not the brightest display, I would say. And the notification panel, it is really similar to iOS, and this phone is running on latest Android 16, I think. Let's see version. So Android 16. Also we have a ColorOS version 16. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 25.9 GB it is already used. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner, and you can see in the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fast. And also inside the settings, and we also have a lot of AI features inside the Oppo AI. So let's go to the display. So you can see we have 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have auto mode, and you can see not every app will run at 120 Hz in the manual mode. So let's look at the camera. So this phone has a triple cameras on the back, and once again, and the main focus is the front facing camera according to the Oppo. This time it's the back camera, and here is the ultra wide. I would say looks really wide, really sharp as well. Here is the 2x. So here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. The back camera maximum shoot only 4K at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p at 60 fps, and ultra steady mode also available. So here is the pro mode, and here's a portrait mode which is also available with the 2x. In the mode section, night mode also available, and the panorama and the macro mode also available. We also have our slow motion. We also have underwater feature and dual view video feature also available on this Oppo Reno 15F 5G. So now look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera, I would say, looks really sharp, really good as well, also really wide as well. And the pictures came out really nice, really sharp, and the colors also looks really natural. And I will be definitely doing the camera test of the Oppo Reno 15F 5G, so stay tuned for that. Here is the video mode, and the front facing camera also shoot 4K as well, but we don't have a 1080p at 60 fps. So here's the portrait mode, and the night mode also available, obviously. Now let's talk about the battery size. Once again, this phone has a 7000 mAh battery size with 80 watt super fast charging, and this phone definitely will give you a 2 days of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And over, I have to say regarding the Oppo Reno 15F 5G, yes, this phone it is a bit overpriced this time. Also, we don't get a new hardware. We have same Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC. I would say if you're looking for a best smartphone in this price range, definitely Oppo Reno 15F. It is not for you, definitely. So that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 15F 5G. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.